In the world of medicine, expertise is the foundation, but leadership? It is the bridge to a healthier future. It starts with a single case, a shared observation, and the tireless pursuit of a better outcome for every patient. From the quiet precision of the lab to the high-pressure decisions of the front lines, these are the minds moving medicine forward. We celebrate the pioneers who are bridging the gap between complex science and compassionate care, turning years of experience into a legacy of learning. At Assimilate, we are proud to celebrate the women who are shaping the future of healthcare. They don't just practice medicine, they lead it. To the women leading the future of healthcare, Happy International Women's Day.